So this is how to make a Lego button toy. First, you'll start off with this base, 3 1x3 smooth pieces, 3 1x2 smooth pieces, and 3 1x2s for them to go on. Next, you'll take a wall. The first part is a 1x6 with a 1x4 and a 1x1. And the second part is the same thing, just upside down. So you're not going to put it like this, but you're going to turn it. So it'll look like this. That wall will go on here. Next, you'll build another wall. You can do 2 1x6s, but I just chose to do this. That's 2 layers, that'll go here. Next, you'll take 2 1x4s with a 1x1. You'll copy that, so then you'll have 2 versions. Those will go right on here. Make sure they're like this. Next, you will take this part, a 1x1 with a 1x2 and a 1x2 smooth, and 2 1x1s dot. They can be dots or whatever. You'll stick that right in here. That's not supposed to come out. But I was making another design before this. That's how it ended up. And then you'll make a 2 more of the exact same things. But on top of that, you will add 2 1x3s, 2 1x1s, and a 1x2. Those will go on here. So then they'll look like this. You can pause the video whenever. And then these will go right on here. The rubber bands will pop them back out. Next, you'll take 2 1x3s, stick them like this, and then a 1x2. That will go on here like this. So then it shall look something like this. Next, you will take this part. That will go 2 packs of dots. Those will go here and here. A 1x1. Those 2 will go here. And for now, you'll put 1 1x4 with the 1x2 under it. And this will go, the 1x2 will stay there. You won't put this on. And then you'll take a 1x6 with 2 dots. That will go right on here after we put 2 rubber bands on. One will go right on here, one side of this, to make it easier instead of harder. You can push this all the way back, take this piece off, put it on, and you'll attach that to this stud right here. And make sure it's actually pushed down, it's not hanging on the stud. Push down all the way so it works. If you need to take this 1x1 and the 1x1 dots off, that's okay. Then you have that. And now you will do the exact same thing to the other side. You will attack it with rubber bands. Take that piece off. Rubber bands on. Attach that there. You can go back. I'll make sure nothing's actually connected to a rubber band. If you put the rubber band under a piece, lift that piece up and let it go under. And you'll put these pieces back on. Next, you'll take a 1x3 or a 1x4 smooth, a 1x3 or a 1x4, 2 of them, stick them on top of each other, and then a 1x2 in the middle. That will go right on here. Next, you'll take a 1x2, put that right here. you will take a 1x6. Those will go there. You will take a 1x2 and a 1x2, 1x4 and a 1x1. And then you'll take this, this, this. Hold on, I just need to get like a couple pieces. It'll be quick. I got them. You'll take two 1x2s, stick them here, and the final piece will be two 2x2s and 2x6s, 2x3s. You'll stick the 2x2 on top of the 2x3, and for the other one, you'll stick the 2x3 on top of the 2x2. Those will go together. Make sure you put the 1x4 right here, so then this can overlap this. That will go on top there. And this last piece, if you need to take that piece off or anything, you can do that. Will go in there, and then your button's done. If it's still tight like mine is, you might want to open it maybe a little bit, or if you try that and it won't work, your thing doesn't work great, but it does work. Thanks for watching.